Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the data you will change. Select the column that has extra spaces, then create a helper column to avoid overriding originals. Once done, type =trim A2 into the helper cell and press enter. Trim removes leading and trailing spaces and collapses double spaces to a single space. Make sure to fill down the formula for all rows, because applying it to every cell ensures consistent cleanup before you replace original values with the cleaned results. Now convert formulas to fixed text. Select the helper range, press Ctrl+C, then right-click the original column and choose Paste Special Right Arrow Values. This replaces formulas with the trim text, preventing later recalculation issues. Once the values are in place, delete the helper column to tidy the sheet. However, keep a backup if you need to revert. If you had formulas referencing these cells, make sure relative references still work, because replacing formulas with values can change dependent calculations. For stubborn spaces, handle non-breaking spaces and control characters. Use equals substitute, A2 char 160. To convert NBSB to normal spaces, then wrap with trim like =trim, substitute, A2 char 160. Once done, copy and paste special right arrow values as before. If you encounter errors when pasting, make sure the sheet is not protected and cells are not formatted as formulas or text. Unprotect, change format to general, then retry. This sequence fixes nearly all
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.